Welcome back. We're almost into the lazy, hazy days of summer. Certainly haze out there, and it will be getting hotter as we move forward. So let's get to the key wall and talk about this. This is a picture I took roughly at about 1 o'clock this afternoon, kind of looking up, and the sky's not totally blue. It's a very light, powdery blue, some grays in there as well, and that's because the African dust and to a lighter degree some of the Canadian smoke that's in our area across the Gulf Coast. And this is the picture I took last night of the sun. It was being filtered by some high-level clouds. That's why it almost looks like Venus right here. And there was some stratiform clouds that was going below. But tonight should be a better view. And right around 7:15, 7:30, as the sun gets lower in the sky, it's going to start to turn a little bit more orange. And the lower it gets, the more reds you get involved. And what you want to do is get where you can see the sunset down to the horizon. Sunset time officially at about 8:05. So you want to get out there about 7:30 or so. Don't look directly at the sun, but try taking some pics through the camera. My iPhone didn't do a particularly good job, but look right here, this is African dust. We are kind of in the nice plume during the course of the day today. That looks to thin in the days ahead. It's thicker over toward Florida, but as we get into the weekend and beyond, that haze and that dust will be diminishing because we're going to start to clean the atmosphere with showers and thunder showers. So looking at the big picture, an upper level ridge is retrograded back to the west. So that's opening up the door for little disturbances to run aloft across the area. But we don't have much moisture in the area. Drier air aloft is moving away, but lower level moisture counterintuitively is working its way in from the southeast. Meanwhile, all the big storms across the nation's midsection this evening along a frontal trough. We won't worry about that for us. And locally, there's not a whole lot going on, but we're starting to see some blips, a few showing up in Terrebonne Parish and a few out in the Gulf, indicating that a few pop-up showers will be on the way going into tomorrow and more than likely the day after that, Friday and the weekend. Rain chances go up thereafter. As for the tropics, there's not a whole lot going on, not much concern. Remember, there was an upper level low here in the eastern Gulf. That's picking up on this tropical moisture, and we do think there is the possibility of something developing per the National Hurricane Center. Just a low-end chance that this is not going to be a big system. It's going to stay in the Atlantic system. No threat to the Gulf, so we're good there. So just keeping you updated on what the National Hurricane Center is sending us. So temperatures tonight, low to mid 70s, generally fair skies. Tomorrow, here we go with widely scattered showers. Always initiates over southeast Louisiana and then moves to the northwest, especially with light southeasterly winds, and that's what we're going to see tomorrow. So rain chance 20-30%, maybe up to 40% by tomorrow afternoon. Then we reset, do it again on Tuesday. There'll be a few widely scattered showers. Looks to be about 20% for Thursday and about 20 to 30% for Friday. Much the same going into the weekend. In fact, here's the Euro for the weekend. A few scattered showers Saturday. Here we are on Sunday, getting a little bit more active, especially to our north, where there's going to be severe weather threats. And then we get into Monday, Tuesday. You're going to continue to see the risk of showers and storms. Clouds are going to dominate, so we're going to stay highs only in the mid 80s or low to mid 80s, and lows staying in the low to mid 70s. Near term, though, not too bad tonight. That humidity gradually inching upward. Very light east-southeast winds for the most part with that quarter moon out there. Then for tomorrow, partly cloudy, warm, and more humid. You're going to feel that humidity coming up because dew points should get into the mid-70s. 88 the projected high with a few late afternoon or early evening showers or thunder showers. Garden variety stuff. No severe weather expected. Much the same Thursday, Friday. Look at those highs getting into the 90s through the weekend. And then next week, oh, look at this. Rain chances up 50-60% or better on any given day, Monday through next Friday. So some heavy rains possible and maybe some strong storms as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.